Comrade Igboayaka is my name. I am the National President of Ohanese Youth Council.
Please, sir, what do you have to say about the current intimidation that is going on in Afariku Ibeku by the Nigerian army?
Anyway, what we are saying, the Ohanese Youth Council, is that it is unacceptable. It is unreasonable. It is against humanity. It is against God that we are being eaten by leprosy, and the president of this country is busy romancing ringworm. It is regrettable, and it is also unacceptable that in a country that the Fulani henchmen, the Boko Haram, and also the kidnappers and the bandits are eating fat on the flesh of Nigerians, and the federal government is busy sending troops in Afaruku, in Umuahia, in Abia State, in a peaceful ground. It is unacceptable, and we cannot accept such. At this time, at this period, that the Fulani henchmen and Boko Haram, they are throwing party on the blood of innocent Nigerians. Recently, the camp president, the camp chairman was beheaded. Recently in Kaduna, 4 seminarians were kidnapped by henchmen. And unfortunately, today we are aware that they killed one of them, Michael Nnamdi, an Igbo man. So this cannot happen in any part of the world. This cannot happen in a civilized world. There is crisis. There is insecurity of life in the northern part of this country. And in the eastern part of this country, we have peace. And the president of this country is busy sending troops in Afaruku and Umuahia to undermine the peaceful atmosphere we are enjoying in this part of the country. So, Ohanese Youth Council, what we are saying is that the president of this country, the National Assembly, should sit up to do the right thing. The Inspector General of Police should sit up. The Chief of Army Staff should sit up. Let them go to Sambisa Forest. Let them go to Niger. Let them go to Bornu. Let them go to Kaduna. Let them go to Kanu and fight the kidnappers there, and fight the bandits there, and fight the Fulani henchmen. But as far as the eastern part of this country is concerned, we are for peace. And we don't want any tension. We don't want any government to create tension. Because what President Muhammadu Buhari is doing is capable of bringing anarchy in this country. We don't want that. So what we are saying is that we want 100% peace in Afaruku. Let the family of Kalu do their burial peacefully. And I want to tell IPOB members to remain peaceful. And since they have started this struggle, they have remained peaceful. So I encourage them to remain peaceful. Because self-determination is a right. Self-determination is a fundamental. If the federal government is not comfortable with what IPOB are fighting for, it should call their leaders and discuss with them. Because it is as a result of injustice. It is as a result of marginalization. That is why they are talking about sensation. But I must tell you that what President Muhammadu Buhari is doing today in this country is capable of bringing division, is capable of interrupting the peace of this country, is capable of bringing sensation. So, what we are saying at the end is that we want peace. Let there be peace. And I want the world to hear my voice today, that they should withdraw any attempt, any plan to deploy soldiers or army or any security agencies in this in Afaruku, in Umuahia. That we are for peace. We are coordinating ourselves in peace. So we don't want that tension. Let the world know it today that this president of this country, they are living what is happening in the north. They don't want to fight Boko Haram. They don't want to fight the Fulani henchmen. They don't want to fight the kidnappers. But they are fighting the IPOB, the peaceful organization that started their agitation because of the level of injustice, because of the level of marginalization against Igbo. I want to tell the world in our own dialect, we are for peace. Thank you and God bless you.
So one more again, please. What do you have to, your message to the governor of this state, Abia State, His Excellency Dr. Okezie Ikpeazu? He's the chief secretary of the state.
Dr. Okezie Ikpeazu is our brother, and we believe he is a true Igbo man. He is a true Igbo blood, and it is his sole responsibility to make sure that there is peace in Abia State, there is peace in Umuahia, there is peace in Afaruku. So I'm appealing to him to make sure that he work in synergy with all the security agencies to make sure there is utmost peace in Afaruku. It is his responsibility. And I know that Okezie will protect his brothers. And I know that Okezie Ikpeazu will protect his kinsmen. And I know that Okezie Ikpeazu will take this responsibility to make sure that nothing happens in Afaruku on 14th of February 2020. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Lastly, I just want you to say more about the burial of His Royal Highness Eze Israel Okukalo on the 14th of February. So what do you have to say more about the burial?
Anyway, what I want to say is that collectively, the Igbo people are mourning because what led to this death is as a result of mini genocide that happened in Afaruku in 2017, and that is Operation Python Dance. And that is why Ohaneze Youth Council, we have condemned this action. We condemn it in its entirety. So what I'm saying that day, it is a day of mourning. We are going to give them a befitting burial. We are going to conduct ourselves. We are going to do our thing peacefully. Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you very much. That is the National Secretary of National Youth President, Ohaneze Youth Council, Comrade Igboayaka or Igboayaka. Thank you very much.
Remember,
thank you.
Igbo,